YouTube? What's happening, family? What's going on? Top of the morning to y'all. We in traffic this morning, man, on our way to the paint shop. Pull up on my man's file, Al. As you can see, I got my son's mini bike in the back. Probably turn that into the shop mini bike, store runs or something. Really, I'm gonna clean it up and put it on offerup. My son stopped riding it. Reason why I got it back there, YouTube, somebody then jumped in the back and stole my son's bike. And my son's bike was linked up against the mini bike, which I don't understand why they didn't take the mini bike. If you're gonna take the bicycle, why you didn't take something with a motor on it? You silly robber. But anyway, man, so I ain't just gonna leave it back there and give it away to them for the next time they try to do something stupid. You know, somebody always want to take something hard that you work for. You know what I mean? My son won that bike. It was a little, what's them bikes called? Fixies or something bike? Fixie bikes or something? He won the bike 7 years ago in a football tournament, Pop Warner. Little football tournament. You know, had the bike all this time, man, and then somebody jumped in the back and stole it, man. So I'm gonna take the mini bike down here to the shop, clean it up, since my son don't ride it no more. You know, he in high school now, so he on the whole nother wave, you know what I mean? Quick store runs, you know what I mean? And clean it up and post it on offerup. Or if anybody want to buy it, you know, you can give me $250, man. I ain't asking for too much, you know. Maybe your son, or daughter, or nephew, cousin, whoever, enjoy it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm in traffic right now, so I'm gonna cut y'all off and cut y'all back on once I pull up to the shop. I'll get at y'all in a minute, all right? Cut y'all back on in a little bit, man. I just pulled up at the shop. About to go up here and see what's happening, and my phone just... Alright, guys, I'm gonna go around, try to get this mini bike cleaned up. Get a couple flicks. Get it posted on offerup for sale. Anybody looking to buy a mini bike, man, $250. And it does run. After I finish cleaning it up, I'm gonna fire it up so y'all can see it running. But yeah, man, my boy Al, he painted this for me, for my son a couple years back when I gave it to him for Christmas. Put a custom, I don't know if you can, the camera picking it up, got like a nice little flake in it. But yeah, man, but I'm gonna clean it up real quick. And, I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute, all right? Sorry about that, YouTube, man. I had a phone call from the wife. She took my daughter to the doctor this morning, so she was trying to let me know what's going on. But yeah, man, I wish the sun was out so y'all can see this thing, man. It kind of flake up. My son, the first day he got it, he went trying to clown around his friends and scuffed it up right there, bust his ass. But other than that though, man, bike straight though. Wish the sun was out so y'all can see all that flake the homie put in there. Came out real clean. Yeah. And it is for sale with the helmet. You can grab the helmet too and all that. Yeah, let me try to fire this thing up real quick. See if it got gas in it. I don't even. It's been so long. Oh man, that's a long job. No gas in there. Hey, you ain't got no gas down here, huh? Yeah. Well, YouTube, that thing bone dry. Ain't no gas in there at all. It's done been sitting for about a year. He ain't rode it, so kind of was expected. But yeah, man, I'm about to get this water hose put up. Let it sit out here and continue to dry out in this hot heat. And I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a minute. All right. Oh man, I had to cut y'all back on real quick. We got a little bit of sunlight out here. Y'all can see that. Y'all can see that flake in there. Oh yeah. Somebody's son don't like it. Daughter. My son enjoyed it. But, you know, he over the whole mini bike thing. He want dirt bike and talking about cars now, so he at that age. Yes, sir.